Hey guys, this is the first look at Sub250's Nanofly16. Big thanks to Cutter Sue for sending me this drone. And let's go straight to the unboxing. First thing I can say about this is that I like the small form factor of the box. It's easy to carry around and you can just throw it inside your bag without worrying it taking up too much space. Okay, let's go straight to the specs. The wheelbase size is 77mm, arm thickness is 1.5mm. FC is an F411 1SAIO with built-in ESC, VTX, and RX. Nice. 250mW VTX, ELR SSPI ceramic tower antenna. It has a Cadix and camera. Motors are 0803 19,000 kV. And let me just point this out. The Sub250 logo, so damn nice. And it comes with the HQ Prop 40mm 2-blade micro-root propellers. Do take note that the pigtail is a GNB 27, so make sure that you buy the correct battery. Speaking of which, the recommended battery to use is a 380 mAh 1S90C Li HV battery. So yes, it's small, it's light, but it has that premium feel. Even the printed canopy looks really nice and smooth. You can also look at the frame and see that it's definitely well built. It's very thin, but doesn't look like it's easy to break. I can see from the bottom that it's a JEP RCFC. So you're probably thinking, yeah, I know it's small, but how small? So let's compare it into something that's also small. How about a Crayola? The Crayola is even a bit longer than the Quad. So let's make another comparison. How about this Newbie Drone 65mm Whoop? Comparing it side by side, the Quad is a tad smaller. So what do you think? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know your thoughts. Now if you're interested in watching how it performs, please wait for my next video. And that is it for now. You take care now. Bye bye.